Behold, I have built a tiny catapult. It's a catapult, but it's tiny. You load it back with your fingers, and you put this little pin inside, and then you can release it by pulling out this little trigger stick here, which you could totally set up on a tripwire so that someone trips it and it goes off. And it launches dice. See this dice, or anything else actually. It launches thumbtacks really well too. These little, you get these little thumbtacks. Dang it. Where are they? Okay, here we go. You simply load your weapon thumbtack inside the catapult. Maybe I should do it the other way? No, this way. And then you aim it at the target and you pull this out. Yarr! It went so far it hit my guitar, and it's not even in the right direction. And it also launches dice. We've got to do a range test. Check this guy out. Here we go. Yarr! That's like, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's like 1, 2. It's like 4 cubits away. Like 4 mega cubits, because it's like a tiny little catapult. Anyway, that's what I made. I built this thingamajig. It's a tiny little catapult. It's very cheap. And I used all these dead batteries in order to weigh it down so it wouldn't get thrown about. It's very fun. Hours of entertainment. You can just leave it loaded with this little trigger stick while it's being transported on a vehicle, which I haven't yet constructed because, I don't know. And yeah, very cool.